Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, my name is Nalini and today I'm here with the new 2019 Sephora Face Pro palette. Every year I think Sephora brings out these palettes. I've never personally purchased any, but one of my beautiful subscribers suggested it to me. I went on the Sephora website, I saw it and I was sold. It came in this cardboard box. This is what the palette looks like. I was so shocked at how big it is. For some reason, when I was on the Sephora website and I was looking at it, I purchased it. It never occurred to me it was this big, and it's very solid and heavy. This is what the inside looks like, and holy pan size. These are ginormous. This retails for $58 and I think you get quite a big bang for your buck. If this was like any other brand, NARS, Hourglass, Natasha Denona, this would have at least been $80 to $100. I mean, I think $58, I think it's totally worth it. The pans are huge. I haven't swatched it or anything. It also has a nice big mirror, has this plastic covering it. I'm gonna list all the colors and how they're described on the Sephora website down in the description box. But so this palette, you get bronzers, highlighters, and blushes. There are 3 palettes: light, medium, and deep. Of course, I went with the deep palette. These are the bronzers over here. Those 2. There's a deep one. There's a mid-tone one, which one looks warm, one looks cool, which I think is perfect. There are 2 highlighters, this one and this dual chrome kind of purpley looking highlighter, and the rest are blushes. Look at this beautiful red tone. That tone, they're very rich and vibrant. I mean, I don't really like a lot of color on my cheek, but I'm definitely gonna, you know, play with these and see how they look. Now, I figured, I know it's a face palette, but I'm gonna just do a whole look and I'm gonna use some of it on my eyes as well. But before I do that, I'm gonna do some quick swatches. And before I swatch, each of these pans contains 75 grams of product, which is a lot. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the 2 bronzers. So let's see. Wow. Super pigmented. Look at that. This is really good. Then I'm going to swatch these 2 right here. Oh my goodness. Okay, Sephora, come through. Wow, these are so beautiful and so pigmented. How is this only 58 bucks? Wow. And next I'm gonna swatch these 2 blushes. I'm gonna swatch the very red one here and this one, and then I'm gonna swatch the 2 highlighters. I'm done. Wow. And they're so creamy and so pigmented. These are amazing. I am so impressed, and I haven't even put it on my face or my eye. Okay, so lastly, I'm gonna swatch the 2 highlighters. That purple dual chrome looking one and the gold. Oh my God. Look at the pigment on the gold one. This is one swatch, ladies and gentlemen. This is bomb so far. The swatches are incredible. I'm so impressed with the swatches right now. All right, wow. So I'm gonna start putting it on my eye. I'm just gonna do a quick eye look before I get to my cheek. And I'm gonna take the bronzer, but the lighter of the 2, like the mid-tone bronzer. And I'm just gonna put that into my crease. Oh, these are so pigmented. I can't get over the pan size. I mean, I know I keep saying that. I don't know what I was expecting, but the pan sizes are crazy. And they're so pigmented and so pretty. I'm just gonna put this throughout the entire crease. And then I'm gonna take the highlighter shade, of course, the gold shade, and I'm just gonna quickly put that on my lid. All right, I'm back with lashes and liner on, and I took a little bit of the orange blush right here. Where is it? Right here. And I put it in my outer crease for like a pop of color. Okay, so I'm gonna start on the face, and I cream contoured with my Huda Beauty Per Tantour, but I'm gonna take a little bit of the darkest contour shade in the palette right here, and I'm gonna deepen my contour a little bit, and then I'm gonna use the lighter one as a bronzer and see how it looks. This is like really, really deep, this powder. So I'm just gonna keep it to the back of my cheek. Oh wow. These are so good. Very, very pigmented. Like, I think it's pretty. And I'm gonna go in with my powder brush, and I'm gonna use the lighter contour shade right here on the bottom as a bronzer. And I'm gonna also add some of that. This has a very nice color as well. The darker one is more cool tone. This one is definitely more warm toned. I'm gonna put a little bit right here on my forehead. Oh, that's pretty. Looks really nice. I'm so impressed with this palette. I really am. It's gorgeous. And the colors, they do not disappoint. All right, so for blush, I'm using my blush brush, and I'm gonna go in with this same orange color blush right here. I'm not gonna use the red one today, but eventually I will get to that. It's like a reddish orange. It's absolutely stunning. And what's the name of it? It's called Red Carpet. Anyway, the blush I'm gonna use is called After Party. The lettering is really, it's nice and big, especially for people who are blind without their glasses like me. This is what it looks like on the brush, and I'm just gonna go over my entire cheek with that. And I'm using a light hand. I'm holding the brush all the way here because I don't really like a bright cheek. But I think if you use these with a light hand, it'll look very flattering. This has a nice sheen to it. It has like a satin sheen. I think it's so pretty. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, you know what? I'm gonna put a little bit of this one down here. It has like a pretty sheen. This is called Queen. Put a little bit of that like here. I don't want to go too overboard because I still want to use the highlighter. As usual, before I put highlighter on, I like to spray my face. So I'm going to spray my face with my Murphy setting spray, and I'll be right back. Right, so I'm back to put highlighter on, and of course I'm going in with the beautiful gold color right here. And I'm gonna put that on the apples of my cheek and go up. Oh wow, that's like really gold. It's pretty. I thought it would have been a little bit more in your face though, glowy. It's very glowy. But I thought it would have been, well, now that I'm layering it, it's getting that look. All right, so this is everything after I put the blushes on my cheek. Of course, I wasn't able to use all of the blushes, but they're all so beautiful, so pigmented. Like I said, I cannot get over the pan size. I love the contour powders. So the colors I didn't use were the red one, this one, and the dual chrome highlighter. I'll probably use that like maybe in my tear duct area at some point when I do my makeup again. I think my cheeks look amazing. I love the orange flush on my cheeks. I love it in the outer part of my eye. This is such a beautiful palette, and it is huge. I can't get over how big it is and so heavy. This is really, really nice. Like, I don't regret buying this at all. This is great to add to your collection, and you can do your whole face with it, including your eyes like I did today. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate you so much. All my new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and I'm going to see you guys again in my next video. Bye, guys.